Greetings, viewers, and thanks for joining me out in the shop today to get a look at my new trailer. Oswald and I are very excited to have the new trailer. It is a brand new 2022, got a spectacular deal, and while I can't tow it with my rental car, I am still waiting my Tundra to get back, but my son went with me to get it because it was a great deal I didn't want to lose out on. Now, I appreciate the trailer manufacturers and Toyota and manufacturers of a lot of different things for making a really dandy platform for me to modify on. I am really happy to have this trailer as it is 2 feet longer than my old one. My old one was a 10,000 pound. This one is only a 7,000 pound, but I don't really need a 10, and I'm happy to have the 2 extra feet. I got my welder out already. This comes with some nice stowaway ramps, and they come with this pin and the pin and the little clip to hold the pin in. I like that, but they could get lost and just fall out. I like to make stuff with whatever I have at home, so I ground me a little spot off and welded a link there. I put that little pin through the bottom link of my chain and then welded this pin to my chain. Now I can pull those out and throw them up there. You could even clip it up on the pocket there if you would want to, but don't know why you would. But yeah, I thought that would be nice, and then I hopefully won't lose them. They go in real easy. Am I even showing all of that? I think so. And you know where the hole is on the thing without looking because it lines up with the angle part of your handle here. So I like that. I'm going to paint them black. I'm going to put the one on the other side, put it a little off center so it'd be easier to lift up, but I won't lose my stuff this way, and I like that idea. The weight of the chain may even help it hold in there if the pin did come loose, or if I get stupid and forget to put the pin in there. So going to paint that stuff black, got the chain cut and the piece ready, going to weld the other one on. Didn't like the license plate that hung out here because it sticks out past, so I just started right from the beginning and put my license plate on the fender. I am going to go get me a couple of trailer lights that are heavy, maybe build something cool around them. I don't know, this trailer's really nice, and I kind of like to modify it in some cool ways if there is any modifications needing done. Wouldn't necessarily say that's cool, but it's definitely heavy duty and functional. Up in the front, there is a lot of open space right there, and I don't like that. Yeah, I did start putting stickers all over it too. You know me, I love stickers. So I'm going to put probably a 3-inch U-channel across there as a brace for the center of the toolbox I'm going to build. And then I will build me a toolbox up to probably this rail height. I don't know if I'm going to include the winch into the toolbox or put the winch on this side of the rail on the floor. I kind of like to really make a nice big toolbox. That would add me some nice strength up here, give me a place to put my winch, my battery, and all my straps. So whether or not I put the winch inside it, I'm going to build a toolbox. I'm going to build me a mount for my spare. I think I might make me some things for these rear pockets. I've seen you can buy them where they drop down to the floor and have a foot so you brace your trailer when you go up and down off of it. I did some boxes like that for my other trailer, some wood boxes, but it got to be a pain, and they didn't work if the ground was too, unlevel. But I digress. So I'm going to make that one for the other side right now. I love getting my welder out. I love modifying things and making them myself. Really happy to have a nice new steel deck trailer. It was a spectacular deal, so modifying this tongue to stiffen it up and make me feel better about it isn't bothering me one bit at all. I like to make a spare tire carrier rather than buy one, although I understand you can buy them for pretty cheap. I might look into it just to see time versus cost if I want to buy one, but I probably won't. But I'm going to make a toolbox. There will be a spare tire mount of some kind. There will be some lights of some kind. I think it would be cool to make something steel that follows the contour there and put a couple lights behind it. It looked like it was made there, and then I wouldn't be bashing it all to crap all the time, but I may not do that. I just don't know. But it's fun to get my welder out. It's fun to play with my new trailer, even though I don't have my Tundra back yet. Still hoping to have it back by the end of this week. Just wanted to show my new trailer, and thanks to the insurance company for paying for it for me. Yeah, I couldn't be happier to have insurance in a situation like that. So that's great. Of course, you should have insurance anyway. I think it's the law. That's probably all I'm going to go on about for the time being. When I have this out and in action, maybe I'll show it again, how my 4Runner fits and rides on it. It's a nice trailer. I'm really happy to have it. I didn't go for the super expensive, like with the LEDs and the rear markers. I'm going to have to add brakes to the other axle, but they wanted more to add brakes to that axle than it costs for me to do it buying the parts myself. So I'm going to do that. A couple other things, probably I'll tune you in and let you know. Thanks for joining me for just a few minutes about my new trailer. One thing I did go and do as soon as I got it home was torque the wheels and grease the hubs, just because I don't know how they did that before I got it. Got it from a guy who just retails this brand of trailer. So enough about that. Like and subscribe if you like my show. There's going to be so much more coming. You probably want to subscribe, and that way you won't miss anything, or you got to hit the bell or something. It's all optional, but it's free, it's easy and painless. Check links if you feel like doing that. Thanks for joining me today. Still moving along with the Tacoma. Couple little items for the 4Runner coming up. Appreciate you all. Have a super great day.